If you think answer for this question is 10, then you are absolutely wrong. Most people solve this expression as they cancel this, then 40 divided by 4, which is 10. But this is the wrong value. This is not the correct value. Because according to order of operations, which is PEMDAS, we solve this expression by using the rule which is PEMDAS. So write the question which is 40 divided by 4 by 3 times 3. So where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. This is the priority order of solving this expression. So here multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here one thing you have to remember, if in division any fraction is there, then use KCF rule. Means we keep this first fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication and flip this. So here cancel this. 10 3 is a 30. 30 into 3 90. So 90 is the correct value for this expression.